guys, what's up? It's Bex, and I am back with another video. But it's not our usual videos, not our usual content. This is a video about my giveaway. Yay! So, like I promised, I am giving away these two bad boys to one lucky person. The only thing that you have to do is subscribe to my channel and leave a comment below on this video, as well as go to my latest video and leave a little comment there and some love, and I will enter you into the drawing. And then I will go live. I will have everyone's name on a cute little wheel, and we will spin and we will see who wins. So I am very excited to gift these two bad boys to one of you guys or gals, whatever. I'm just happy that I'm happy that I can pay it forward and show the beauty community, you guys, some love and give back. And I'm excited about it. So here is a closer look at the Jeffree Star mirror. Now this mirror was actually one of the mirrors that was exclusive to the mystery boxes, but it's beautiful. And then of course the Cremated palette, which I'm going to be doing some incredible looks with this palette to show you guys. That way, if you've never used it before, or you're just interested in getting another person's perspective on the smoky eye dark goth look, I gotcha. So again, be sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that little bell icon so you get notified each and every time I upload a video, and just comment below on this video, and then on my latest video, leave me a comment and some love there. And that's it. That's all you gotta do. And of course, the more the merrier. You wanna share, you wanna tell your friends, your teachers, your work partners, your friends, your neighbor, the mailman, the Amazon delivery person. Hey, I appreciate that very much. And this will just be one of many giveaways coming up because I'm a very big pay it forward person. So I'm excited, guys. What do you think? All right, thanks. See you soon.